we are sitting with one of the interesting personalities, Mr. Karan Puri. He has recently published a book, #MeToo, by Invincible Publishers. So today we have him, and I'm going to ask him first question, sir. We want to know more about you. So please tell us something about yourself.
Sure. So I got into writing since my college days.
Okay.
In the US. I had gone to upstate New York to study. This was in a long time ago, in '97, wherein I did my bachelor's in economics there at University of Rochester. And that's from where I got my interest to start writing. I started writing first as a blog, then slowly and slowly when I completed my education and did a lot of courses there. So then when I came back to India, I started writing a blog, updating my blog, and I really wanted to share my experiences with students, who wanted to go abroad to study. So that's how I wrote this book called Shit Happens, Desi Boy in America, which came out to be a bestseller in the first 2 months itself.
Yes.
So that was a thrilling experience first because that time getting a book published was not an easy task. I went through a lot of publishers, and first of all got it published. That was a big task, and then getting it in the India Today top 20 books list, which was just amazing.
Right.
So that was a thrilling experience. But after that, I got busy with life, doing my MBA. And after that, working in the corporate life. I worked in Coca-Cola, Ernst & Young, and a lot of multinationals in the marketing and communication space.
Right.
So, I wasn't able to write a second book. So, and luck, so as luck would have it, last year the lockdown happened, and in my mind there was this thought that I would, write something on the Me Too movement. I know it's been 2 years, but then, it took me a while to write about it, and I thought that this is a subject that will actually be relevant all the time because in society these kind of things happen, especially in India. This is a very pertinent issue which has to be resolved, and people should know about it. The awareness is very important. Even now you have people talking about girls wearing short skirts, girls should not go out, those kind of things.
Right.
But I believe that's their mindset and which needs to change. They need to really move with the times. They can't always blame the Western world for the same, their mindset. So I really wanted to write about it, and the lockdown happened. So that was the best time for me to sit down and research on this book and write, meet the people actually, and get the stories out from people who really they wanted to not talk about it, but I got them to really open up. And being a man, it was very tough for the woman to come out and discuss with me, share with me their inner feelings. So that is what I bring with this book, that just get deep into the mind of the person and how they're feeling, and how when they share all this information about how they went through sexual abuse and how they really feel much lighter inside, and there's some baggage that comes out. So it's very good, it heals you. So I would this is a message I would give to people, and it could be anyone, be it professional life or personal life. It could be anyone, it could happen to anyone, even in your home. So it's something that really
the title is very catchy, I must say, #MeToo.
Yes,
and this question was there in my mind to ask you that why #MeToo and why now?
Yeah, this is what I told you.
Yeah.
And the Me Too title, I was researched, and this is the first book of Me Too in India. There are many Me Too books, #MeToo books in the US. I've seen on Amazon.com, but this is the first book.
Right.
So I'm really proud of that. And recently, yesterday, there was a big victory, the first victory, as Times of India puts it, about the Me Too movement. So about the Priya Rimani case, and that was a moral victory, and it'll really help women and to come out and talk about it openly. And obviously there has to be a lot of different laws that should be there in the corporate world,
Right.
and our whole system needs kind of a overhauling, which is much needed. So it's a step in the right direction. I'm very happy with the verdict.
Right. So what exactly inspired you to start a book? I mean, I'm not particularly talking about
Not this one.
hashtag,
Yeah.
but just
So,
to start a book,
yeah.
what was the inspiration?
So basically, when I think there is some message that I want to convey, which can make a difference in people's lives, or maybe help them in some way. Like the first book I wrote about people who wanted to study abroad. Second book now I'm writing on this. So otherwise I have started writing on Amazon. So small ebooks is something which I've recently started. So that is also going to come out soon. Then I'm a lifestyle influencer, by the way, and it's like my hobby since I'm anyway into writing. And I love to travel, try different food. So that also comes naturally, and writing is something which I do every day, and it helps me, express myself.
Yeah.
That is one way that I look at it, and it helps me connect to my readers, and it feels happy. When the readers, they give you the feedback, or they like something, or they give you feedback for your next book. So it really helps. So I'm very happy with the kind of feedback that I get, and that motivates me to write all the time.
So how, according to you, books are a medium as a powerful tool? How much is that? I mean,
Yeah, very important.
Yeah.
Book, and so it's like an art form. So it really helps you bring about your creative side. So it helps build creativity also, and also you write and you express yourself more. So that is one way of basically to answer your question.
Right.
Yeah.
So how was the experience overall writing this book?
It was a great experience. I mean, it took a lot of time and effort to get it done, more than a year. But I'm really happy with the feedback that is coming, and I hope people start reading. I was hoping that the e-book, this trend will start in India, but not yet. So I'm just looking forward to that to start. And obviously, so the hard copy, thanks to Invincible Publishers, after the lockdown, they actually took the rights of the book, and they're actually helping me get this book all over India. This will be in 2 languages. Right now it's English, and soon we'll get a version of Hindi also.
Okay.
So, and through my social media, I always connect with my readers and followers, and being a lifestyle influencer also, so that it helps me connect to a lot of people, and I hope that this book reaches each and every one in this country and all over the world, and it brings about a change.
Seeing a title like this, it's a bold
Yeah.
movement, and you have written a book on it. So how does your family react to it?
Oh, they are pretty happy because
Yeah.
it's something which no one has done till
Right.
now,
Right.
and coming from a guy talking about women empowerment, sexual abuse, stopping rape. So that, I think, it's the values that my parents have imbibed, given to me, and it's really helps me as a person to see the things from both sides, not only from a personal guy's side but also the woman's side. And I really respect what women are achieving nowadays, and I always feel proud that if someone overtakes me in any form, be it writing. There's so many good women writers coming out, so it really encourages me to promote this
Right.
even more.
So at any point in your life, have you ever been a victim to a Me Too movement kind of a thing?
Me too, kind of corporate life, no, not as such, not in personal life, but I know quite a few people who have gone through. So I think it was
A moving journey.
moving
with
journey. So I thought
Right.
it's very important to drive home that point that it is important to bring it out.
Okay, that's amazing. Is there something you want to say to your readers?
Yes, I mean, I hope you have already bought a copy. If not yet, please download or get your hard copy delivered straight to your home through your nearest bookstore, Amazon. It's online, available everywhere. And I hope to get your feedback and your reviews soon on Amazon, Goodreads, and through your social media. My hashtag is MeToo by Karan Puri. So please help me in this movement, and hope to see you soon and write more and connect with you soon. Thank you.
That's great. Thank you so much for taking out time for us. Mr.
Pleasure,
Puri.
pleasure.
It was wonderful having you here. Thank you so much. Please, people, if the book is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and it's available on all the platforms. So please buy a copy, leave your review as Sir just said, and we just hope that it turns out to be one of the best sellers. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.